In Uniswap UNI Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about UNI to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Uniswap UNI Current Market Status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Uniswap UNI is $6.38 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $84,230,911 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, UNI has diminished by 0.67% as of now. What is Uniswap UNI? Uniswap, UNI, is the administration badge of Uniswap, one of the completely decentralized trades. Uniswap is a decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum. The falling wedge design happens when the cost is moving in an general bullish pattern before the cost activity revises lower. Right now, Uniswap UNI is in the scope of $6.38. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of UNI could arrive at the opposition levels of $6.53 and $9.53. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of UNI might tumble to $5.67. Uniswap UNI backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Uniswap UNI. From the above everyday time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Uniswap UNI. Resistance level 1, $8.10. Resistance level 2, $12.49. Resistance level 3, $18.51. Support level 1, $8.10. Support level 2, $5.96. Support level $3.51. The graphs show that Uniswap UNI has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, UNI could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $18.51. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Uniswap UNI could fall to nearly $3.51, a negative sign. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Uniswap UNI is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of UNI lies beneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of Uniswap UNI is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, Uniswap UNI cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. Presently, UNI has entered a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of UNI whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file, RSI, of the UNI is 43.61. This implies that Uniswap UNI is almost in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of UNI might happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Uniswap UNI. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Uniswap UNI. At present, the ADX of UNI lies in the scope of 26.18 and subsequently, it shows areas of strength for A. The above graph likewise addresses the overall instability record, RVI, of Uniswap UNI. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of UNI lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Uniswap UNI is at 43.61, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of UNI with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Uniswap UNI. From the above outline, We can decipher that the value activity of UNI is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of UNI increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of UNI diminishes. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Uniswap UNI could most likely achieve $45 by 2023. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Uniswap UNI could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, UNI could revitalize to hit $65 by 2024. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2025. If Uniswap UNI supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, UNI would energize to hit $85. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Uniswap UNI supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, UNI would mobilize to hit $105. Uniswap UNI Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Uniswap UNI supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, UNI would energize to hit $125. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2028. Uniswap UNI holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, UNI would hit $145 in 2028. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Uniswap UNI, it would observe significant spikes. UNI could hit $165 by 2029. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the fundamental consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into UNI for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Uniswap UNI could hit $185 by 2030. And, with non-stop upgrades in the Uniswap network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for UNI. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Uniswap UNI in 2022 is $18.51.